This watch looks great. It's a super fun watch. I love the colors. The downsides are Swatch own bioceramic material, feels like plastic. It's a super lightweight watch. It does not feel like this heavy quality as you have with other watches, but overall, like, the design is great. It looks like a Moonwatch. It has the Omega sign. It feels great on the wrist. It has this strap, kinda childish, but it has the Omega sign. I like it. You can replace it. I think it's 20 millimeters. If you want a fun watch, this is a perfect watch. It's fun. It's a fun collateral. It has the looks. It has the feeling of a Swatch watch. It feels like a brittle watch. It could easily break, but it's super lightweight, sleek, and perfect daily watch. Easy to wear. If you appreciated the video, please like it and subscribe if you want me to make more of these. Thanks.